So when we log into Kahoot, the first thing we see is our dashboard. Now, the one thing that has slightly changed. So if you're new, this isn't going to be confusing at all. But if you've used Kahoot before, this is a change that I would want to make sure that you guys understand and is highlighted. These little icons on the top left corner are your workspaces. So if your organization or your company bought a Kahoot license for you and you're now starting to use it, it's going to be in the second box here. I'm part of multiple organizations, so I have more than one box. But what any typical user would see is a first box, which is their personal workspace, and a second box, which is their organization's workspace. Think of this as a private account and this one as a company account. I've gone ahead and added my picture from going into my avatar and selecting this. That just makes it easier for me to understand that this is my personal space and this is the Kahoot space. So this is where my company license is. This is where I get my 360 Spirit Premium subscription, and that comes with all of the features that the system has to offer. This one is a perk of having a Kahoot paid account. It is a free space that you can use with your friends, family, just yourself playing trivia games on the Discover tab. And it is completely disconnected from the business stuff. So if you were in your workspace and you went to Discover and you were playing a bunch of games, there will be a record of those reports somewhere. So we want you to be able to have this personal space where you go into Discover and play all the Friends trivia that you want. And yes, I specifically said Friends trivia because I love it. But other than that, there is a lot of other there's fun material, but there's also other learning material, like legitimately finding out new concepts, learning more details about them. There is someone at Microsoft whose job is to sit down and create content for Kahoot. There's someone at NASA who sits down and creates Kahoots that are then made